Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off the keyboard sound on your Android device quickly and easily. If you find the keyboard sound annoying every time you type, these simple steps will help you disable it in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Alternatively, you can swipe down from the top and tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Sounds and Vibration and tap on it. Now, look for System Sound and tap on it. Here, you will find the option for Samsung Keyboard Sound. It is enabled by default. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch. And that's it. Let's test it to make sure the sound is gone. And that's it. Now you know how to disable the keyboard sound on your Android device.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.